seems to me that we should take a look at his most important responsibility. That's caring for the national security of the country. The best way to do